Bankasi Asya. Bankasi was established in October 24, 1996 with its head office in Istanbul as the sixth private finance house of Turkey. The company's name, which had been previously Asya Finance Kurumu and Anonim Şirketi Asya Finance Incorporated Company, was changed into Asya Katilim Bankasi Anonim Şirketi Asya Participation Bank Inc. Bankasi, with an initial capital of Tr 12 million and paid-up capital of Tr 900 million, had a multi-partnered structure based on domestic capital. At the end of 2009, Bankasi's total assets reached Tr 14 billion. Bankasi rose by 47 places in the top 1,000 World Bank ranking of the Banker magazine in 2010, rising to 473 from 520. At the same time, Bankasi ranked 400 and third on the Banker's top 500 banking brands. Bankasi has also become the largest participation bank in Turkey. Bankasi carried out its activities with 182 branches, 2 national and 1,300 foreign correspondent banks besides the head office units as of May 2011. The bank has been strongly tied to the controversial Gülen movement, led by the Islamic cleric and preacher Fethullah Gülen, and is widely considered to be founded and operated by his followers. By the end of 2013, the relationship between the Gülen movement and the ruling AK party soured, and the Gülen movement was declared a national security threat. Consequently, Bankasi lost a large fraction of its deposits and its lucrative contracts with government agencies. Its net income plummeted 81% in the second quarter of 2014. Its stock is currently suspended from trading by BIST Istanbul Stock Exchange due to uncertainties regarding its ownership structure. 2 separate acquisition deals by Qatar Islamic Bank and by Turkish state-owned Ziraat Bank fell apart. Finally, on August 25, 2014, Moody's downgraded the bank with the statement during this period, the bank's net income declined by 81% compared to last year. Additionally, asset quality also deteriorated. These sharp deterioration trends in financial fundamentals resulted in lowering the bank's rating. On 22 July 2016, the Banking Regulation and Supervision Agency BDDK cancelled Bankasi's banking permissions as part of the 2016 purges. History. 1996. Bankasi was founded on October 24 in Istanbul, Turkey. 1997. 14 branches were opened in 10 cities. Branches include Kadıköy, Merter, Sicily, Gonasli, Pendik, Istanbul, Ulis, Ankara, Izmir, Bursa, Konya, Gaziantep, Kayseri, Eskişehir, Antalya and Ida. 1998. Bankasi launched credit card activities, established online banking correspondence with all Yapı Kredi branches. Sultanhamam branch was opened in 1999. Bankasi became subject to Turkish banking law 2000. Online banking became available to the public. 9 branches were opened. Branches include Ostim, Ankara, Diyarbakir, Erenköy, Ümraniye, Fatih, Gazi Osman Paşa, Istanbul, Gebze, Erzurum, and Samsun. 2001. The Union of Private Finance Houses was founded. The regulation for foundation and activities of private finance houses began operations on September 200, 2002. 3 branches were opened. Branches include Denizli, Adapazari, and Beylikdüzü. Private finance houses, private current and savings accounts safety fund regulation began operation on September 18. Installment credit cards were launched. ATM were put into service. Correspondent banking relations were established with Turk.Ekonomi Bankasi and Denizbank branches. 2003. 17 branches were opened. Correspondent banking relation was established with Şirketi branches. Tax collection authority was granted by the Ministry of Finance. Nationwide facility for credit card payment and money transfers by Asya Finance customers through online PTT branches was initiated. Asya became a member of Visa on October 240, 2004. Although Asya 444-4888 telephone banking was put into operation on January 1 and March 17 for retail and corporate customers, respectively, 19 branches were opened. The organizational structure of the head office was changed and operations began being carried out by 24 units to 2005. The company name, which had been previously Asya Finance Kurumu AS, was changed into Asya Katilim Bankasi AS. Membership agreement was signed with MasterCard on May 18. Bank Asya launched chip credit card activities. Bank Asya became registered in the presence of Trade Register Office of Istanbul on December 20. Paid-up capital has increased from TL 120 million to TL 240 million. 11 branches were opened at 2006. On May 12, Bank Asya shares began trading at the Istanbul Stock Exchange ISE with the code of Asya. Paid-up capital has increased from TL 60 million to TL 3 million. 2007, 26 new branches were opened. Bank Asya branches have increased to 118. New head office building in Umraniye commenced service on October 12, 2008. Bank Asya became title sponsor for the first league of Turkish Football Federation. Asya Card DIT, the most extensive offline credit card of Europe, and Asya Pratik DIT, the first prepaid bank card of Turkey, were brought into use. The first transportation project with which Asya Card can be used has been put into service, and Asya Card began to be used for transportation in Kahramanmaraş. Paid-up capital has increased to TL 900 million. Number of branches has increased to 1,492,999. Bank Asya was displayed as the bank having the most effective performance in the top 1,000 World Bank's list of financial magazine The Banker. The first contactless prepaid bank card of Turkey, DIT Pratik, ranked first in 2009 category A strategic cooperation agreement was signed between Bank Asya and ICD, one of the corporations of Islamic Development Bank IDB, and Bank Asya went in a partnership with Senegal-based Tamwil Africa Holding SA. Assets reached TL 116 billion, increasing 43% compared to the same period of the last year. Reaching 222% profit rate. Bank Asya has become the most profitable interest-free bank of Turkey for last 3 years. Number of branches has increased to 1,582,010. Second Mirabaha syndication $250 million USD. Bank Asya ranked 403 in the Banker's top 500 banking brands, listing the leading names 2011. 300 million USD Mirabaha syndication. Ratings. Moody's, Fitch. Former subsidiaries. Isik 65.42% ownership non-life insurance company with 183 million TL in assets. Tuna Rate Real Estate Investment Trust. Established in 2009. Development of residential and saleable real estate and generation of rental revenue from its own real estate portfolio. Strategy: IPO in 3 years. Tamwil Africa Holding. Bank Asya and ICD Islamic Corporation for the Development of the Private Sector, a subsidiary of the Islamic Development Bank, jointly carry out interest-free banking activities in West Africa. Bank Asya owns a 40% stake and ICD 60% in Senegal-based Tamwil Africa Holding SA. Tamwil Africa Holding SA owns 4 banks in Niger, Senegal, Guinea, and Mauritania. Plans for opening 2 new banks in Benin and Mali. partnership could expand up to 22 countries in Africa,